Hey, hello and welcome to a new travel video. We woke up this morning at 6 o'clock. Yes, 6 o'clock. It's the time difference with Europe, I think. We decided to take a run on the rim of the Grand Canyon. Can you imagine a more beautiful start of the day with this amazing view? And we have a special surprise for our kids.
Hou helikopter vliegen.
This ain't okay.
Hou helikopter
Wait till
vliegen.
we make God.
This was so beautiful. We definitely recommend doing this in the Grand Canyon.
Wow.
On our way back we had to stop because we saw some deers on the side of the road, and my kids and wife are crazy about animals, so I had to stop. It is actually the mule deer, a smaller cousin of the elk. But we have to get in the car because we want to do the Bright Angel Trail, and it's a big trail and we see some dark clouds coming up. So I don't know if we're going to do the trail completely before we get some rain on our heads. As we expected, the dark clouds are coming closer and closer, and a curtain of rain is closing up on us. We have to take shelter. It's coming very close. We're going to be very wet. You expect some sun? No? It's just looking cool in a storm. So that's an experience.
Amai, bruin zonder zon. Oh, wat mooie schoenen zijn. Mooie schoenen.
Dat wordt een nieuwe schoenen als ik weet.
This morning my wife says to me, why don't you wear a white short? So it's good for the pictures. After 15 minutes it stopped raining and we decided not to go down anymore but to go up again and to take a walk along the rim.
What is that?
Is that over the visitor center? This is one of our visitor centers here.
What are you two doing? Dancing?
I got my carrot.
I got my cat.
I got my carrot. Okay.
I got my cat.
So that's the Bright Angel Trail that we walked this morning. We had to interrupt for the rain.